So Global Payments competes against PayPal, and this is a little bit of a crowded market. Global Payments provides payment technology software solutions for card, check, digital-based payments in the Americas, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Okay. All right. And not a bad market cap, 27.75 billion. The stock is sold off over the 5-year. Over the 1 year, it's sold off. And PayPal also sold off, but PayPal has rallied more recently. Revenue's 10 billion. Very low PE going forward. Interesting. Analysts think it's discounted by 24%. They are growing. So their growth is 5.8% in the trailing 12 months, and last quarter was 5%. That's good growth. It's not like, wow, NVIDIA impressive kind of growth. No, but it's good growth. It's a pretty big company at 10 billion. They're growing at almost 6% growth. That's very good. Okay, looks good. Free cash flow in general has been expanding. The 2888 looks good to me. Okay. It's going to be important for them to stick to that number. Don't go 288 and then next year go down to 1.5 or billion. So looking at the quarterly, at a very good Q3. All right. Looks like they're expanding their free cash flow. And when do they announce? They announce on February 12th. So they announced their last earnings around here, and the stock really moved. That free cash flow number should have made this number move. And then it came back down. That free cash flow number was pretty impressive. So we went over free cash flow. And analysts believe 21 cover it. Worst case scenario, you lose a little money. On average, you're going to make 24%. And one analyst really believes in the company, $194 price target. Real nice. So this one here, revenue is going to keep growing and single digit looks good. Earnings per share are going to expand. They're going to expand their profitability faster than their revenue growth. Very good, which is going to drop their PE even further. Wow. One thing I didn't check were their margins. Everything so far looks good. So gross margin looks really good. So this company is discounted. And I would say I could value this company at 50 billion. Let me look at their balance sheet just to make sure they don't have a ton of debt. Okay, they do have some debt. 3 billion of debt, 3 billion of cash, 17.5 of debt. So they have about $14.5 billion of debt. That is pretty good little debt load. EBITDA is 4.36. So they have over 3 times EBITDA of debt. Debt to EBITDA is almost 4. That is a red flag. Why do they carry so much debt if they're creating so much cash? They should pay off some of that debt for sure. Now, the payment market is a little bit of a crowded space. Right now I'm in PayPal, and I'm in deep with PayPal. It's going well. And this one here does look interesting. Looks like it might be discounted, and they haven't caught like a really great rally. Maybe investors are worried about that balance sheet. But if you compare this guy, let's compare it over to PayPal. PayPal is more diversified, but they do a lot of the things these guys are doing. And there's some other companies that compete with these guys. But if we look at the 1 year, see, PayPal is, they both were like, for some reason, payment companies were kind of beat up in 23. And they took them a while in 24 to really start moving, at least for PayPal. But then PayPal moved. PayPal's up 44% the last 12 months. So PayPal started to work. And I'd rather stick to PayPal because Global Payments might be a little bit too old school to be a great company. This is what I mean. PayPal owns like Venmo. They're already into crypto. They created their own crypto coin. And all those things are about the future. All those things are about like, hey, getting more customers, getting them excited about, the products that you have. And I don't think Global Payments has that type of newness to them, new and exciting products. So they're going to be battling for the old school payment services, credit card processing, and so forth. And when you have more competitors, everybody starts undercutting each other, and it gets really hard. It gets hard to grow. So that's why maybe Global Payments is sold off, not really rallying. I don't know if the story is different or could change for the better, but I would really study the story of Global Payments. Come to the conclusion, do you think they're going to be bigger in 5 years? Like, hey, they're going to grow at 5-10% and be a bigger company? Are they going to be a player? Are they going to be a strong, powerful player in their space, in their little industry? The answer is yes. I would like, yeah, okay, I'd be in the mood to invest. But if the answer is no, it's going to be questionable if they're going to be able to compete. Then I would probably pass because I'm in PayPal. I'm in New Holding, excuse me. Those are the two investments I'm in right now that resemble Global Payments. So those are my comments there. Good luck with it.